guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. In this video I'll be showing you how to create this bronzy glow look. It's a very easy step and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do it, and I'm using pretty much a lot of new products that I just got, and I wanted to share that with you guys, and they're very affordable also, so you guys can go ahead and be able to create this kind of look. You can do this pretty much every day, or if you just want like a nice glow to your skin, you can also do this type of look. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button down below. What are you waiting for? I do post videos every week, so you guys don't miss out on my uploads. And also, let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you how to create this amazing glow look. Keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off my P. Louis eye base. I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my eyelid. This will help my eyeshadow be more pigmented and also stay very nice and matte. And when you're applying it, you don't want to like pull, you just want to be tapping right on it. Tap, 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 tap. So I'm now just using like a flat blending brush and just tapping that right on my eyelid properly. You don't want to see any lines or any streaks or anything like that showing. Just want everything to be nicely blended and smooth on your eyelid. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Illamasque Vapour eyeshadow. I'm going to be applying that right on my crease, and I'm using my Morphe R38 brush. This is like a nice warm orange tone. A lot of UK artists use this as their transition color. I'm going to use MAC eyeshadow in Melon, and I'm going to apply that right on my brow bone. This is just to help my brow area to look very highlighted. So I'm just applying a little bit right there. And I'm going back with that Illamasque color that I was using on my crease, and just to blend out that sharp lines between the highlighter and the eyeshadow. The key to getting a really nice eyeshadow to make your eyes really look really nice is just pretty much blending, how you blend your eyeshadow. Don't put too much pressure on your brush. Leave these two fingers out, but since I'm good at not putting pressure on it, just want to not put too much pressure and just lightly blend that in circular motion. I'm going to go ahead and take my Juvia Place Magic Palette, and I'm going to be applying this color right here, also on my crease. And I'm using my MAC 224 brush. Just want to warm things a little bit right there. This palette is so pigmented, so like you really don't need like to really drag it too much. Just lightly tap and apply that on your eyes. I'm just going back with my previous brush. Just lightly blend out any harsh line between those two colors so it can really look nice and smooth. I'm not applying any eyeshadow on the brush, just the brush itself, and I'm just using that just to blend out my crease area a little bit more to really bring out that transition color. So I'm taking it very lightly and I'm going in circular motion. I'm going to go ahead and take this color right here from the Zulu palette. This is a really nice brown. I love this brown so much for creating like a nice warm tone cut crease. So I'm going to apply that right on my crease area, and I'm going to use my MAC 221 brush, and I'm applying that right on. So I'm just taking the previous brush and just blending that line together so I can really look very smooth. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'll be doing a half cut crease. I'll be applying this one right here. Placing that right on my eyelid. And I'm using my MAC 252 brush. I'm just packing on that color on my lid. Then I'm just taking a pointy brush and applying some of that brown color just to sharpen that line out a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and pack some of that color right on my outer crease, just bringing it in a little bit. So I'm going to be applying these lashes that I got from Superdrug. It looks like a very simple everyday lashes that you can wear. Not too big at all. I'm just going to go ahead and now apply my eyelashes. So now once I've applied my lashes, I'm going to move on to my face. So I'm going to go ahead and start my face and I'll be right back to finish up my eyes. So I'm going in with my MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Lumiere. This is my primer that I'm using. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my face. Up next, I'll be using the Chloe Louise Beauty, and this is their liquid highlighter, and this is in shade Bronze Beauty. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my skin to kind of give me like a nice glow. Just a little bit. I don't want to do too much. So just lightly blend that into my skin. Then up next, I'm going in with the Ordinary Full Coverage Foundation in Y3.1. Blend it in. This is a very affordable foundation. I think it's like £6. And the coverage is really, really good. You can see the glow on my skin. See how glowy my skin looks? The liquid highlighter is really, really good. And I only put like tiny little drops. It's very, very strong. You don't need too much on. Then I'm going in with my stick foundation from Makeup Revolution. Line a little bit right on. So I wanted to try it out. I think the shade that I got is a little bit light. That's why I have to blend it in with my Ordinary foundation. Nice color that I want. I already don't line anyway, so I think I have to get the C13 so I can mix both of them together to get my actual skin color. So it's still not bad, I mean, when I blended it in with that. So this is the result of it all. So then I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer, C11 and C13. I'll be using the C11 to highlight my under eye, and I'll be using the C13 to contour. And so let me just go ahead and blend this out. And always want to make sure your blender is a little bit damp. And for my contour, I'm using the C13. You won't see a lot because I don't want it to be too much there. I want it to be something very light toned. Up next, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder to set my under eye. I've never tried this powder before. I hope this really works like the Laura Mercier translucent powder, because I know sometimes drugstore setting powders can really give you patch. I want no patches on my face. Okay. So just gonna bake really quick. I'm not really trying to bake that long. So while that is on, using my NYX bronzer, just gonna apply that right on. And I'm just cleaning my sides with the powder. This is just to help your contour area stand out. That's why people do it. So I'm just taking my powder brush and just brushing that off my face. Okay, it's not that bad. Like, it actually sets it really nice. Okay, Makeup Revolution. I think this was like £4 when I got it. Wow, this actually really sets nicely. I was a little bit like, And then I'm going to go in with my setting spray and I'm going to set my face. And this is from MAC. This is MAC Studio Fix. So while that is drying off, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my under eyes. I'm just applying my liner. So I'm just going in with that brown color. Then I'm going to apply over eyes. Then I'm taking the warm orange and I'm applying that right underneath that. Then I'm taking the Illamasque color that I used first. Then I'm going to apply that right there. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. I'm pretty much done with my eyes now. I'm going to go ahead and apply Fever on my cheeks. I'm going very light with this color because it's a little bit, it's so deep in color. So I'm just going very lightly. Now I'm applying that right on. Let me just go ahead and show you guys. Now I'll be applying the Chloe Lewis highlighter. It's a little bit. Take a little bit and put right here. And up next, I'll be applying the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Bronze. So lightly just tapping that on. Take my beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend that in. Lightly blending that into my skin. You see that glow? Now it looks much better. And I'm going to take some of that highlighter now and just tap it right on. I think I want a little bit of gold in there, so I'm going to go in with the Master Chrome in gold and just lightly tap that right on. And up next, I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution lipstick in Wow. This is a really pretty nude. I've never used this before, but I ordered this online and I love the color. The review was good. This lip here, very creamy and buttery. They have like really good things at Makeup Revolution. Like almost everything that they sell, I love. I've been sleeping on them for a while. It's actually really pretty. This is like a really, if you're looking for like a nice everyday nude brown lipstick, this is it. What do you guys think?